Hi, hello friends. Welcome to the home recipes. Today we are going to see how to make paneer butter masala. This recipe is very tasty and also very easy to prepare. We can make this recipe within just 30 minutes. Let's see how to make it now. Paneer butter masala. To make the paneer juicy and soft, we can saute it in oil for just 2 minutes. I have added 1 teaspoon of oil and I have taken 250 grams of paneer. Add the paneer and saute it lightly, then take it out. Next, in the same pan, after removing the paneer, I am adding 1 tablespoon of butter. After adding the butter, take 2 medium size of onion, slice them and saute well. Saute until they turn slightly transparent. After that, I am adding 2 Kashmiri chillis. I am adding Kashmiri chillis because they give the masala a nice rich color and make it look more colorful. If you want, you can add them, otherwise you can skip them. Next, I am adding 4 to 5 tomatoes that medium size. After adding the tomatoes, I am adding the half a teaspoon of salt. Saute everything until the tomatoes become soft. Next, I am adding 2 small pieces of ginger and 4 garlics. Then I am sauteing and mixing them together well. Next, I am adding 8 cashew nuts and saute them well along with the masala. Now, transfer this masala mixture to a mixer jar and grind it into a smooth paste. Next, add 2 tablespoons of butter in a pan and let it melt. Add a small pieces of cinnamon, 2 cardomoms and 1 bay leaf. Saute them lightly in the butter for a few seconds. Now add the masala that we prepared earlier. Mix it well. After mixing, add 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder and saute it well. Next, adding half a teaspoon of garam masala and mix everything together. Next, I am adding half a teaspoon of sugar and mix everything well. After mixing, pour about half cup of water into the same mixer jar that we used for grinding the masala. Rinse it and add the water to gravy. Then add salt, your taste. I am adding half a teaspoon of salt. You can adjust the salt based on your preference. Now add the paneer that we already sauteed earlier and mix it well. Next, add 1 teaspoon of kasuri methi. The aroma of this kasuri methi gives the paneer butter masala that rich restaurant style taste and flavor. Next, close the lid. Cook it 2 minutes. Next, I am adding 2 tablespoons of fresh cream and mix it well. That's it. Our paneer butter masala is now ready. Try this recipe at home and let me know in the comment box how it turned out. Also subscribe to the Home Recipes channel and click the bell icon next to it so you will get notified new video. Thank you for watching this video.